Hey everyone, today I'll be doing an unboxing video. 2 unboxing videos. Alright, let's get to it. Yeah, yeah. I don't even know what to say. I was gonna say something, but I don't really want to say anymore. We're gonna open up the smaller one first. This is a rotor-brew, of course, and it's a rotor-brew that I've been wanting for a long time. I already had it back in like 2020. I don't even know. It was like back in the day, like 2022 or 2023. Used to have it, but then there we go. What the? What the? What kind of packaging is this? Anyways, it's a rotor-brew, and it's the rotor Street Screamers. Unfortunately, the sound, I'm guessing a speaker in there, something happened to the speaker because it doesn't even light up. Or, yeah, it doesn't have any sound. I wonder if it still has the original batteries. Nah, it doesn't have it. Why doesn't the lights light up? Damn. Whoever packaged this was really bad at packaging because they pretty much just stuffed it in there. Anyway, let's get to this one. Now, this one right here is actually a rotor that I've been wanting to get for so long. For like since, I'm guessing 2024. Because I used to have it, but since I kept on doing things to it, it ended up breaking. But I still have the board. Yes, right here. Looks lovely. Hold up. Well, you can already hear it. Boom. Look at that. Yeah, I used to have this back in the day. I don't know if any of you guys remember. Is it locked? Something's wrong with the motor. It's locked up. Oh. Or it was locked. I don't know what's wrong with it. And there's no batteries. BRB. Alright, I'm back. And let's open up this guy. Fernando actually has this. Hopefully he still does. Open that up. Oh! It actually still has the original batteries. That's surprising. But why doesn't want to work? That's actually really surprising. I thought this would have just like, oh, and there's no corrosion. That's great. What date does these batteries say? Let's see. 01/2008. That's cool. I think these guys came out in like 2000. I don't even want to guess, not gonna lie. But that's cool. Came with the original batteries. I wonder if they still work if I replace the speaker, because maybe a wire fell off. I don't know. I might have to actually open it up in this video. Now, let's do this guy. Where should I set the camera? Oh, got this air freshener right here. But it's gonna roll, isn't it? Yep. I don't even know where to put it. I'm gonna try to hold it. How about that? Imagine this guy has the original batteries. Nope, they're clean. The contents are clean. Alright, first whatever. First button. There is a split gear on the wheels and probably on the motor shaft. are rumbling.
Gentlemen, start your engine.
Man, it works great. Just a couple of spots. For some odd reason, this front is kind of sticky. But besides that, actually, it's a bit dusty. And a bit dirty, but I'll clean that. Yeah, back in the day, back in like 2020, I used to have this guy in its box. But, something happened to it, and I don't have it anymore. But, at least now I have it again. And this time I'll make sure to take care of it. Back then, I was just a stupid child. I used to modify this guy actually a lot. A lot. Like adding LEDs. Just what a kid would do when they first time getting into modification. The rotors. Or probably in anything. Yeah. Yeah, there's a cracked... Well, yeah, there's something wrong with it. I'm guessing a plastic broke inside because it keeps on getting stuck. Because look, it drives and then gets stuck right here. Something is wrong. Why is this tire like this? Yeah, something gets stuck right here. I'm gonna open up this street screamer and see what's wrong with it. Hopefully it's just a loose wire so I can easily just resolder it. Hopefully. These batteries are hot. How about let's connect the old batteries and run this guy. Of course there's a split gear on I can hear it. There's a split gear on the motor shaft and there's maybe a split gear on the wheels. You can already hear that clicking sound. There's a split gear on the motor shaft. Let's drive it. I wish it had sound, but it doesn't. Not at the moment, at least. Forward. It's actually surprising that the batteries still work. Not gonna lie, I don't think these are the original batteries. I'm guessing the owner probably just found some random old batteries around. I don't think this was made in 2008, not gonna lie. Alright, second speed. Oh wait, that's actually its top speed actually. It just has 2 speeds. I thought I had multiple, I'm not gonna lie. So this is its first speed. You can hear that vibration. And then second speed, which is pretty much full speed. Yeah, sorry that the camera is blurry. Well, that's pretty much it. Put that guy aside. How about I just grab my light thing and just open it up and see what's inside? I'm hopefully that this guy just has a loose wire in it. And I can just solder it back on. Let's do it right now, actually. Yeah, look at that. You can see like a little gunk. I'm guessing like a sticker was here. I don't know. Now it's time to open this guy up. Wait, I'm actually surprised. What? So there's 2 screws right here. I thought there would be 2 more screws right here. Oh. Maybe this was made in 2008. Wait, yeah, they did make some around like... The one I'm thinking about is the one that was like made in 2001. You know, the street screamers where it just said it had like the flag rotors, but newer ones also had that little like oval shape rotors brand. How am I gonna set the camera? I'll just use my hands. Nope, you're not falling down. There we go. Okay, there's one screw. Yes, that's good. Now, this is the second screw. Stop trying to fall down. And last one. I honestly thought there would be more. I thought it had like 5 screws, but it only has 3. Okay. Let me flip it around this side. Okay. Let's hold up. Let me align a little light thing. Alright, so this is what's inside the Street Screamers. Or this one. Nothing looks damaged. Yeah, the black capacitors. Yeah, there's most definitely something. Hopefully, I don't know. I hope nothing's wrong with the board. There is something on there. Don't know what that is, though. Hopefully it's just like old tape or something. I don't know. Or it's tape from this. Because this is pretty sticky. Actually, I think it is, actually. Thank God. I thought it was like some sort of corrosion that got on the batteries. Or got, on there. These batteries are hot. Why are they hot? Alright. Well, this has a bad